Have you ever caught yourself pushing hard with both hands just to stand up from your favorite chair? Maybe you didn't think much of it. After all, everyone slows down with age, right? But what if I told you that this tiny change could be one of the earliest warning signs that your legs are becoming weaker? And what if I also told you that one simple chair exercise, done for just a few minutes a day, could help you rebuild strength, improve balance, and make everyday life feel easier again? It sounds almost too simple, but after more than 20 years of helping older adults recover from injuries, arthritis, and muscle loss, I've learned that the most effective solutions are often the simplest ones. Today, I'm going to show you an exercise I recommend to many of my older patients, explain why it can be more effective than walking for building leg strength, and reveal one mistake that keeps countless seniors from seeing real results. So stay with me until the very end, because one small adjustment could completely change how you move, how you feel, and how confidently you live. Before we begin, I'd love to know a little about you. Please take a moment to leave a comment below with your name, your age, and the country you're watching from. I truly enjoy reading your comments because they remind me that we're building a wonderful community of people who refuse to let age define them. While you're there, tell me one activity that has become more difficult over the past few years. Is it climbing stairs, getting out of bed, standing up from the couch, or walking longer distances? You might be surprised to discover that thousands of others are facing the exact same challenge. Hello, I'm Dr. Elais. Throughout my career as an orthopedic surgeon, I've met people in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s who believed they were simply too old to become stronger. Many arrived feeling discouraged, convinced that weakness was an unavoidable part of aging. But time after time, I've watched those same people regain strength, confidence, and independence by making a few simple changes. That's why I want you to hear this message today. Growing older is inevitable. Growing weaker isn't always inevitable. I remember meeting a gentleman named Robert. He was 76 years old and loved spending time with his grandchildren. One afternoon, he quietly admitted something that deeply affected me. He said, "Doctor, I don't play in the backyard anymore because I'm afraid I won't be able to get back up if I kneel down." Think about that for a moment. It wasn't pain that stopped him. It wasn't a disease. It was fear. Fear of falling. Fear of not having enough strength. Fear of becoming dependent on someone else. Sadly, that fear steals joy from millions of older adults every single day. Here's the good news. Your muscles are incredibly adaptable. Even after the age of 70, they can respond to the right kind of exercise. The challenge is that many people rely only on walking. Now please don't misunderstand me. Walking is one of the healthiest habits you can have. It improves heart health, circulation, mood, and endurance. I encourage my patients to walk whenever they safely can, but walking mainly trains your body to keep moving. It doesn't place enough resistance on the muscles that help you stand up, climb stairs, recover your balance, and protect yourself from falls. That's why so many people faithfully walk every day, but still notice their legs getting weaker. The exercise I want to share today is called the chair sit to stand. It may not look impressive, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Every time you stand up from a chair, you're strengthening your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, hips, and core. These muscles are responsible for nearly every movement that keeps you independent. They help you get out of bed, step into the shower, carry groceries, climb stairs, and enjoy time with family without constantly worrying about losing your balance. Before I explain exactly how to perform this exercise, let me share one mistake I see almost every day. Most people rush through it. They swing their body forward, use momentum, and practically throw themselves into a standing position. That makes the exercise easier, but it also makes it far less effective. Slow, controlled movement is what challenges your muscles and helps them grow stronger. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit near the front edge of a sturdy chair, with both feet flat on the floor about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your back comfortably straight. If you're just starting, it's perfectly fine to place your hands on the armrests or your thighs for support. Lean slightly forward from your hips. Press firmly through your heels. Tighten your stomach muscles and slowly stand up. Once you're standing, pause for 1 or 2 seconds. Then lower yourself back into the chair as slowly as you comfortably can. Don't simply drop down. The lowering phase is where many of the strengthening benefits occur because your muscles are working hard to control the movement. If you can complete only 3 repetitions today, that's completely okay. If you can do 5, wonderful. If you can do 10, even better. Remember, this isn't a competition. Progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Every repetition is an investment in your future independence. Many people ask me, "Doctor, when will I notice results?" Although everyone's body responds differently, many older adults begin feeling stronger after just a few weeks of practicing this exercise several times each week. They notice standing from a chair feels easier. Climbing stairs becomes less tiring. Walking feels more stable. They begin trusting their legs again. And perhaps most importantly, they stop living with constant fear. Confidence is something we rarely talk about in medicine, but it's incredibly important. Every successful repetition sends a powerful message to your brain. It says, "I'm still capable." That confidence changes how you move through the world. Instead of avoiding activities, you begin saying yes again. Yes to family dinners. Yes to walks in the park. Yes to vacations. Yes to playing with grandchildren. Stronger muscles don't just improve movement, they improve quality of life. There is another important habit I encourage all of my patients to develop. Don't spend the entire day sitting. Even if you exercise every morning, long periods of sitting allow muscles to become stiff and inactive. Try standing up every 30 to 60 minutes. Walk around your home. Stretch your legs. Take a few steps. Those small moments of movement add up throughout the day and keep your body active. Nutrition also plays a major role in maintaining muscle strength. Your muscles need fuel to recover and rebuild. Eating enough protein, drinking plenty of water, and getting quality sleep all work together with exercise. Think of it like building a house. Exercise lays the bricks, but proper nutrition and rest provide the cement that holds everything together. I also want to remind you that everyone's journey is different. Please don't compare yourself to someone else in the comments. Some people are beginning at 70. Others are beginning at 90. Some can perform 10 repetitions today. Others may struggle with just 2. What matters is that you're taking action. Every step forward, no matter how small, is still progress. Of course, if you experience severe pain, chest discomfort, dizziness, or you've recently had surgery, speak with your healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise routine. Mild muscle fatigue is normal. Sharp pain is not. Always listen to your body and exercise safely. Before we finish, I want you to imagine yourself 1 year from today. Which future would you rather have? One where standing up becomes harder every month, where fear slowly limits your independence, and where everyday activities become exhausting. Or one where your legs feel stronger, your balance is steadier, and you have the confidence to enjoy life with the people you love. The decision begins with the small choices you make today. So here's my challenge for you. As soon as this video ends, find a sturdy chair and complete 5 slow, controlled sit-to-stands. Don't worry about speed. Focus on good form. Tomorrow, do it again. Then the next day. Those few minutes could become one of the best investments you ever make in your health and independence. Now I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your name, your age, your country, and tell me how many repetitions you completed today. I read your comments every day, and your story may inspire someone else to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because every week I share simple, science-based strategies to help you stay strong, active, and independent after 70. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, age may add years to your life, but your daily choices determine how much life you add to those years. Keep moving, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.